Hello everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading mixed as investors continue to monitor the situation surrounding the Evergrande group. Nikkei is trading lower by 0.95%. Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.78%, while Shanghai is shut due to the holiday. Indian indices are expected to open in the green. SGX Nifty was trading higher by 0.13%. Nifty started the week on a positive note but witnessed selling at the higher levels to end the week on a weak note. Nifty closed at 17,532 with a loss of 321 points on a weekly basis. Nifty futures closed at 17,530 on a negative note with a 3.14% increase in the open interest indicating short build-up. Nifty futures closed at a discount of 7 points compared to the previous day discount of 16 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Reliance Industries announced that it has formed a unit in the UAE for trading in oil and petroleum products. Hero MotoCorp dispatched 5,30,346 units of motorcycles and scooters in September 2021 against 7,15,718 units sold in September 2020. And Tech Mahindra, through its wholly owned subsidiary Tech Mahindra GmbH, approved the proposal to acquire 100% equity shares in Beres Consultancy GmbH. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Aurobindo Pharma Limited with sell below at 706, stop loss at 713 and target prices between 699 to 692. And Aarti Industries Limited with buy above at 950, stop loss at 940 and target prices between 960 to 970. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Trent Limited, TVS Motor Company Limited, Bata India Limited and Sun TV Network Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Cummins India Limited, Canfin Homes Limited, Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited and Bajaj Finserv Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading!
Popcorn. Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.